Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Steve with LRM. Today we're going to talk about a few shortcuts that we take to keep our trucks running and then end up backfiring. All right, I'm all about shortcuts to get moving, but you got to get to the shop. Doesn't mean it's a long-term fix. For instance, your radiator is leaking. You might put a little bit of stop leak in there. It's just a temporary repair. That's to get you off the road and into the shop. And then you got to tell the shop what you did because you don't want that crap flowing around in your cooling system, causing it to overheat. So it could be a radiator or a little quick patch job on the radiator itself, which you guys have seen me do with a JB weld. Just remember guys, that's a temporary repair, not a permanent solution. So what you don't want is something to get worse by letting it go and it leaks again and then you overheat. So make sure you take care of those situations. Next one we're going to talk about is air filters, right? Make sure the air filters, I know you guys want to save some money, blow that bad boy out and then put it back in there. It may work a few times, but what you're actually doing is breaking down the filter, right? And those fins are coming and collapsing. So what you're gonna do is you end up choking out your motor. You can cause a turbo seal to blow and you're gonna have not as great horsepower just because you might save a few dollars by blowing it out. It might work one time, it may not work at all. And also you gotta double check if you can even do that to that filter because believe it or not, blowing it out could damage the filter, causing more issues. Now, another one is putting fuses, you know, where I said about put a fuse in the coolant reservoir sensor because maybe your sensor's not reading even though that your coolant is full. Don't forget to actually fix the problem. If you leave the fuse in there, and let's just say it could happen, we get complacent, right? And you didn't check the level, but that sensor is not there to protect you anymore. You could overheat the motor and guess what? Head gasket, more issues. So when you guys do temporary repairs, something that's supposed to get you off the road and into the shop, what you don't want this to do is backfire on you and then cost you thousands of dollars. So when you do temporary repairs, just remember it's in the word temporary, not permanent. So just always remember that. If you guys have any questions, what you saw today, don't forget to leave a comment at the bottom. If you guys like what you saw, don't forget to pound that like button. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. We want some more content coming your way.